Well, welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Selene. Now, Selene is saying a thief can't thief a thief, a scammer can't thief from a scammer. So go ahead and join and watch her, what she has to say. She's talking about, her tears and that from she's growing up, her tears, has always played off, in helping her. Basically, she was explaining about the man that took her maiden and what happened to him. And so you have to jump on and hear what she has to say about this. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the channel. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
They pull me grill and come in. I tell me about set up cash price shop. But just show me know him because my neighbor pick me. Me say alright. He come, but in the thief, me already and thief, me green suit. He want me to get locked up in a I him thief. Because me give somebody, so I say this a crosses and me give somebody and the person and he go down and the person. Never you try to scammer. Never use try to scammer. Because scammer pick up a scammer. A thief pick up another thief. You see how people wear rap phone, you pick up. If me I walk at town and me have my phone in my hand, me will know when them a come cross. If you come grab my phone, and me just give them the look, you see them walk cross back. Yeah, a thief can't rob a thief. Yes guys, that's what the thing there. You see people when I try to serve God, you can't scam them or thief them. God will kill you. God will kill you. Me see God do that already. The same man will molest me and take my maiden. And 12 years, when my daughter 12-year-old and take me. And that man dead like dog of Philadelphia. He get 100 and stab. Then giant him up, pluck out him eye, and in the hallway a rose. God no like ugly. You see my tears? From me look where me about and suffer, my tears now going pain because God say, him understand your tears. Me I give him 6 years, 6 months, and watch him for when him do yesterday to me. Watch what go happen. Me will tell you about it. Because God no like ugly. Talk truth. Them treat me as if me no come from boy. So him come from boy and Banya. Him a 3 times scam since me live here, so once I miss Dana